what is going on, guys? Today we have this Kia Optima, and if you check out my latest video, we bought two cars, the Kia and the Focus that it was wrecked. But today we're gonna be checking out this Kia. Now the battery is low, so I have attached my jumper box. So what I'm going to do is, I know it has check engine light on and it's misfiring, and I want to see what is causing the misfire. So I'm going to attach the OBD2 scanner. Okay, now it says that it has 10 codes. So we have P0304, cylinder 4, misfire detected. Then we have p0087, fuel rail system pressure too low. Then we have cylinder 2 misfire detected, random misfire, same one, cylinder 4, cylinder 2, pressure too low. So basically we have like 3 codes that they keep repeating themselves. That's why it says that we have 10. Okay, but as I was looking at this engine, now this one looks like they have just replaced it, which means that this is not the problem. Now, I believe that the cause of the misfire is due to the low fuel pressure. Now what I'm going to do next, so I was doing some research, and we have multiple options that could cause the low fuel pressure. Obviously we have the fuel pump itself, we have this high pressure pump, and then there's a sensor behind the intake, which is the fuel pressure sensor. You could also trigger that code. So let's go ahead and start reading the fuel pressure. Okay guys, so now I have fuel rail system pressure too low. Now I know that the pump is working because I disconnected it and it has a good amount of pressure. I don't have the right fittings for those to connect the gauge, but it has a good pressure. So this is the new one. Got it off from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description so you can see it, and maybe you can buy it from there. So what you want to need, you're gonna disconnect that the fuel hose with those two clips, green clips. You pinch them together and pull it out. Then you're gonna need a 19mm wrench to disconnect the fuel line that supply the injectors. Then you're gonna need a 10mm socket to remove the two bolts, 10mm bolts on each side. That way you can remove the pump. So after you remove the old one, go ahead and put the new one in. You just be careful not to vent the fuel line too much. So what I did here, I tried to put the two bolts first, but then I couldn't get the line installed. So I removed the 2 volts, then I just lightly thread the fuel line, then I put the 2 volts. I tied the 2 volts, then I tied the fuel line. And go ahead and connect your main fuel line and your connector, and then we're ready to test it. Well, there you have it, guys. That was our problem. Now it just starts right away. I also had a misfire. I thought that was because of the low pressure, but it wasn't. Got a new ignition coil, and that took care of the problem. Well guys, thanks all for watching and see you on the next video.